for me the most important thing of all this is the friendship and the group of people that you meet with you share the same ideology and the same, you know, willing to change things.
Enjoy life.
My motivation is to could share with people, with youth people here in Europe, and to try to engage them and pass on a positive energy in the way that they join to be part of this big turnout we have to do to change the world.
I'm always amazed at how people who have never met before get together with this kind of work. It really takes like working from the heart and working from deep and within, so that even though you've never met, you get together and it's amazing the connection that is created.
Your name.
All of us have their own language, their own country, their own religion, but at the end we share the same thing, that we really want to make a change, and in our specific ways.
I came here to get the tools, the practical things, and a lot of inspiration and a lot of experience to change the world, and I get it.
I am very happy. I mean, we have a wonderful 7-day experience here, sharing, learning from each other, and I think that the people have a good tools to take with them, and I had the feeling that some people are going to make a difference in this world.
If you have the heart and the mind for it, just go for it. Do it. Change the world!
Let's keep working together.